Oh, this time of year it's just starting to turn into fall weather, and we have just hit this summer has been a crazy summer. It's been a lot of good riding weather. Exceptional summer. And I hope you're enjoying some of the rides with our friends and with other people that have a passion for old motorcycles. Well, for old motorcycles. I also assume it's not going to be long before the AirTech bodywork gets here, and we're going to start the restoration project and make this bike even better than it is now. So let me have my coffee, and Karen looks like she wants to take the little perp walk in the garden, and then I'm out of here for a nice 3 or 4 hours of riding. Today, number one job, get a sandwich bag over the radar detector. Something eerie about riding in the rain like this, and the fog and the rain. Never believe the weathermen. That's hard to believe. Less than an hour ago it was pouring rain. What an eclectic day. Never believed the weatherman. 50-50 means, well, we actually had 50-50 today. An hour and a half of rain and an hour and a half of sun. Anyway, it's time to feed the fish, as it always is, and time to go get the grandson. So hope you enjoyed sharing the video. Sharing the rain. Always take an umbrella with you. And thanks for watching.